The winner is a Stephen Alonzo. Stephen Alonzo. Now, what's fascinating about this is that his numbers also were very, very close to the globe. We have well over 100 terabytes of information already. Obviously, a lot of that is high definition video and pictures, but we brought hard drives on top of hard drives on top of hard drives just to make sure we could collect all of the data that we were going to be obtaining as part of the final experiment. David Henry. Now, David Henry told me that he used stellarium to get his answer, which again is completely fine. You can use stellarium. But I responded to him and let him know that stellarium is a globe app. And so I was curious why he was making a submission that completely and perfectly matched the globe if he was a flat earther. He responded by asking me what we saw in while we were in Punta Arenas, and I wouldn't tell him. I just said, are you willing to admit that you're submitting a globe answer as a flat earther? And he was unwilling to do so. That brings us to Stephen Alonzo. Stephen Alonzo told me that he expects the sun to rise in the southeast and set in the southwest, and he gave pretty accurate times. Once again, his answers aligned with the globe. Stephen Alonzo, I do know from seeing his stuff that he ascribes to the AE map, which anyway, the winner for the flat earth side is none other than Stephen Alonzo. And so what the TFE challenge number 3 was, which was the most difficult, was we asked people to calculate for us the distance between lines of longitude, the distance between these meridians at 53 degrees south, which is where Punta Arenas, Chile is. And so we received tons of entries again that cover 4 continents, and they were all globe entries except for one flat earther, and I'm guessing you know who that is. Yes, Stephen Alonzo. So, Stephen Alonzo, you are the winner again. You get the trifecta. You won all 3 TFE challenges.